We're going metal detecting with Minelab Manticore. Let me just show you. There's a playground equipment over here. People parked over this way. A lot of times when people park right in here, they drop their coins, getting their keys out. Of course, there's there's picnic areas, of course, pull tabs and things. Over there's a swimming pool, tennis courts, and parking over that way. So we're going to be trying to hit a lot of it. As I say, I've seen millions, well, not millions, a lot of metal detecting out here, but we have the metal detecting, and we're going to be using the Minelab Manticore. All right, I'm just in all general terrain, and let's all right, and then let's do our ground balance. All right, now I just want to show you, and you can see the previous video that I did. Well, let's see, where is it? Custom. And I was just going to look for silver, basically, and maybe a little pennies. So if I go over here, yeah, rats. There we go. I've gone to about 65 or something like that on the scale, which all this shaded area here is sort of wiped out because I have decided not to listen to that, because I don't want all the junk, all the pop tops, and yes, I'll miss some few rings, but if we look at this little white area is what I'm going to be listening for. Just barely picking something with the TRX by Whites. It's about 5 inches deep. It was a Roosevelt. It is something. It's a bottle cap. Hey, I like that Minelab. And that's a can lid. Can lid? Rusty. Ah, there it is. And that's a quarter, modern day quarter. Ah, there it is. And it's a little penny, modern day penny. I got a 61. Not sure what that is. And it's a penny. Well, I found this penny here, but I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a second penny there. So it's always good to check your hose. thinking it's a quarter. There it is. I'm thinking it's a modern quarter. So I'm looking down. You know, there's 2 times I found rings just laying on top of the ground. Well, this isn't a ring, but it's sort of neat. Not sure. Looks like an owl or something. Oh, it's an earring. Little owl earring. Well, that was all interesting. Wow, that's a little cool out here still. Found a few coins. I finally ended up taking, resetting my, I want to say Knox. I've been doing that Manticore and just general metal detecting. Found a few pennies, but all in all, this park has been hit really, really good. This is sort of in the center of the west part of Oklahoma City. And I've seen a couple guys out here before, so I'm sure it's been hit pretty well, and that's why I didn't really find too much. It was a lot of fun to get out and just to see what I can find. But all in all, it was just fun to get out, see what you might find. So with that, thanks so much for watching.